My name is Dan Clearwater, and I'm a lighthouse docent here at Pigeon Point. I've been a docent here since 1992. That's a long story. I became a docent because I had a hobby in photography, and I was going around photographing a lot of the lighthouses along the whole West Coast, which started with a road trip with my dad many years ago up to Oregon, which is where he's from. And one of the days I stopped here, and I guess it was in 1990, I took a tour. Nelson Morosini was the tour guide who eventually became a docent coordinator here. And he said, "Why don't you sign up and be a docent?" Because I knew all the answers to his questions with my interest in lighthouse. I said, "Oh, I really don't have the time," because I was working full time. And I had subscribed to I had joined the U.S. Lighthouse Service, and they send a quarterly newsletter out. And in early 1992, they had a call for docents out here, so I signed up then. And been enjoying coming here ever since. What does day-to-day look like? It varies depending on the assignment. I've worked the store, I've worked the deck, and I work here in the fog signal building and talk about this beautiful Fresnel lens we see behind us. My favorite part about volunteering here at Pigeon Point is actually getting to talk to people from all over the world. What do I see for the future of Pigeon Point and being a docent? Well, I see that ugly cyclone fence coming down in 2 to 3 years, and us being able to take people in the tower again, because that's what's most disappointing to some of the guests that come out. Can't we go in? Why can't we go in? They want to see the view when they get up there. But when I was leading tours, this was still up the top. And people, they just wanted to get up to the top to see the view, and some of them got up to the top to look at the view, and they never took their eyes off the lens because they had never seen one before.
I'm Jenny. I'm a docent at Pigeon Point. I became a docent at Pigeon Point because I'm a frequent visitor at Pigeon Point, and I find this place to be the most wonderful place along our West Coast. One of the docents actually asked me to become a volunteer, and I say yes without hesitation. Activities at Pigeon Point can be as wonderful as coming out to the deck, enjoying the ocean, the wildlife. Right now we have many whales coming by, and the visitors visit from all over the world, all over our country, and most people are very interesting and share their stories, and it's just a wonderful place with a wonderful energy. My favorite part about Pigeon Point is the people and the wildlife. Everybody here, it just brings a very good vibe. You just can't go wrong. The ocean is always, on a good day or on the foggy day, it's just always giving you that wonderful energy that we can all breathe in and relax and be at peace. Our lighthouse is going under renovation this year, and after the renovation we'll be able to show people inside the lighthouse and go up to the lighthouse to enjoy this wonderful view. And the future of Pigeon Point, we hope that we can find more docents coming to join us and feel this great energy and enjoy the lovely people. So come join us.